Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to connect mobile device to the Bluetooth system in 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander. This is gonna apply to Mitsubishi Outlanders made from 2013 and all the way up to 2024. I'm gonna show you this process by using the steering wheel buttons, and whichever device you're connecting to the Bluetooth system in the Mitsubishi Outlander, you want to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on the device. So I'm gonna start with turning the Bluetooth on my mobile device, and now I'm gonna switch to the steering wheel and I'm gonna press this middle button with the phone icon. And now you want to switch to the main screen and simply wanna press pair device. And now you want to press next, and now on your mobile device you want to look for Mitsubishi Motors Bluetooth. So I'm switching to mobile device and Mitsubishi Motors is right there, so we'll press on it, and now I got this pass key. Just want to make sure that this pass key matches to that pass key on the main screen. And if it matches, you just wanna select pair. And now this mobile device is connected. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.